happy Sunday afternoon. I hope you all are having a wonderful day and that your weekend has been fantastic. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I do want to remind you guys, we do have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so that link will be down below. So definitely head over and check that out and enter if you have not already. We also have our Jeffree Star giveaway going on, the Snack With Me box giveaway, and the Rebecca mail giveaway going on. So you could win a 3-month subscription. So definitely check those out as well. I'm excited for today's video. We have another Walt Life unboxing, as you can see from the title down below. And I just love this. It was so fun last time unboxing this. Obviously, these goodies go to Christopher and he really enjoys them. I do want to tell you a little bit about Walt Life before we get into the unboxing. So the box that I'm actually unboxing is the Magic Plus box. It is $48 with free shipping. I will put a link to Walt Life down below if you'd like to check them out. They did send this to me free for a review, so I do want to say thank you so very much, Walt Life. I do greatly appreciate it. Now with the Magic Plus box, the one here that I have, you will receive 1 or more Disney Parks item, 4 or more Disney mystery items. And what I really like is you get to select the gender. So if you're ordering this, you can select if it's for a boy or a girl, and then you can select the age group. So I think that is super awesome. Now they do have other boxes that kind of can fit any budget. They have like the classic box, I think it's $20. They have a magic box. They have a box even larger than this one, and I think it's called the Kingdom box. They have a snack box, so you can get like fun Disney snacks. And then this I think is super awesome. They have a surprise box, and what that actually is kind of for is if you have a Disney vacation planned, and it's kind of the way to announce maybe to your kids, hey, we're going to Disney. The box is kind of the Disney vacation announcement, which is super fun. So like I said, they have boxes for all budgets. And again, I am unboxing the Magic Plus, and I did obviously select boy, and I did the like 10 to 17 age group. So comes like this, like a chest, which is fun. So let's get our box cutter and see what we got. Last time we got some like Avengers and things like that, but it was also when the new Avengers Endgame movie had just released. So, but it says your Walt Life adventure begins, and then when you open it, it says caution, magic enclosed. So then when you open it, it has just this fun colors, and then you can see, there's goodies all in the box. And I love how going around the box, like there's Cinderella's Castle, Special Deliv Airy. So we have like this, Sword Stone, or I'm not sure, like Little Mermaid stuff. So it's just a cute box too. All right, so let's just get in here and see what we got. So this first thing I'm pulling out, this is cute. It's little notepads. Oh, and they're like sticky notepads. And one is like a Mickey Mouse lollipop or ice cream, the pretzel, like a cookie or something, and then like pizza, but with like Mickey Mouse pepperonis. So this is super cute. Christopher will enjoy that. He can maybe use that with some of his artwork somehow. And then, oh, what is this? And what I like is it actually does have, now this says Disney Parks, $9.99. So there's that. This is like the Disney Store, $14.95, and this is, I guess, the Disney Eats collection. It is a cookie cutter set. So it looks like we have Mickey Mouse, a tire, another view of Mickey Mouse saying hi, and then him doing like a thumbs up. So that would be fun, like with sugar cookies or something, and then he could decorate them, or I could decorate them and he could eat them. So that's gonna be fun. Let's see. Oh, we have got here the lanyard. Okay, and it says to infinity and beyond, and it has Buzz Lightyear on it. So I do know the Toy Story 4 movie. Oh, this is like stretchy too. It's like a stretchy lanyard. That's awesome. With the little clip there. So I know that movie either just released. So I'm wondering if they include things with movies that just released, because like I said, the last box we got was right around the time the Avengers Endgame movie was released, and we got quite a few Avengers products. And if you do not know, Marvel is owned by Disney. So let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, I think I might be right, y'all. This is Lion King, and it's a like leather bracelet, and it's got why did I just like lose their names? Timon and Pumbaa and Simba as a cub with Hakuna Matata. That is so cute. So they must send maybe with movies that are out. That's fun. Oh, something big here. What are you? Oh. What are you? You're a cup. Oh, I got squiggles falling everywhere. Oh, it's a Lion King cup. So again, it's Timon and Pumbaa and Simba. This is so cute with the lid and the plastic reusable straw. That is cute. Oh, and this is $16.95. So yeah, they definitely must like release items or put items in this box with some of the movies that are released, in addition to some other like just Disney items. One of the things we got in the last one was a set of 3 Mickey Mouse journals, and I know you've probably seen those if you've seen some of Christopher's artwork. So but this is fun, and that's a good size cup. So we have the 2 Lion King products, we have the Buzz Lightyear Infinity and Beyond lanyard, and it's like really stretchy, which is nice. The Mickey Mouse little notepad thing, sticky notes, the cookie cutters. Look like there was still something else in here. Oh, I remember this now. They include in every box one of these little coins, and if you get and spell out Walt Life, you can win a trip for 2 to Disney World. And then you can actually pull out the bottom of the box, and it's like got different things on it. And then here is a puzzle. You can like color. That's always in all the boxes. And then a bookmark, and this is really fun because it looks like on the back it says challenge your friends to tic-tac-toe, so that is in there. All right, so the final product we got right here is from Finding Dory, and this is a 4-pack of pop-up pencils. These are like this. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, this is awesome. And he'll like this for his drawing stuff too. But you can see, like I said, it's a 4-pack. This is the thing, remember where you pull the pencil lead and when you're done you pull the other one? These are fun. These are mine. We got this in something else recently. I think it might have been the My Paper Box. But this is so fun, and it reminds me of stuff from when I was younger. So that was everything we got in this month's Walt Life. So I definitely think it's fun. It's got a variety of options. I mean, the cookie cutters are going to be fun. Like I said, I'll probably be the one making the cookies and decorating them. Christopher will just eat them. So will my husband. But he'll love having these with his drawing, the cup, the leather Hakuna Matata, and then the Buzz Lightyear lanyard, and the little sticky notes. So that was everything. What do you guys think? I just love Walt Life because I love Disney. Who doesn't love Disney? Disney to your door makes you smile. So like I said, I'll put a link down below. They have all kinds of plans. They do have plans, I believe, starting the Magic Box starts at like $20. So they have plans for every budget. This again was the Magic Plus. This was $48. So like I said, that link will be down below. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I hope you're having a great Sunday and that your weekend has been fantastic. Again, don't forget about those giveaways, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.